Hey, beautiful people, welcome back again to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So, on today's video is another beautiful tutorial on how I made this cute rubber band hairstyle for my baby girl. This style is a very simple hairstyle for suitable for toddlers. It's easy and stress free. You before you know it, in less than 5 minutes you are done with the hairstyle. So we started this hairstyle with a washed hair. We washed our hair, conditioned it. You can see how soft and moisturized the hair is. So I started parting the hair from ear to ear. Then I divided it to three and secured it with rubber band each. And I went ahead to part again behind the one that I parted before. So these ones that I'm parting now, I'm going to divide it into six. So I went ahead to split the one that we did before into two, and I twist it a little bit, then connect it with the ones behind with rubber band each. I'm also going to repeat the same process that I did before on the other ones. So you can see that is a very simple hairstyle. Split it to two, twist a little bit, then secure with a rubber band. If you are still enjoying this video, please help us by subscribing to the channel. It is totally free. You are not paying anything for this. And also leave a sweet comment down below. Like this video, turn on your post notifications in order to be notified whenever we post a new video like this. May God bless you as you do this. Thank you so much. So we're not done with the rubber band section. So what I'm doing here is trying to comb the hair a little bit, and after that I will secure it into a puff. Then I went ahead to further beautify the hair with some accessories. I used these beautiful butterfly clip-ins. After that, we proceed to do our edges. I used some shine and jam gel and a brush to define the edges. So at this point we are done with our hairstyle, and as you can see, baby girl is looking so pink and beautiful. So you guys, thank you so much for staying with us in this video, and I hope you liked it and we'll try it. See you in our next one. Bye.